Hey, it's Aran here. I'm doing a video tutorial on email marketing, how to write an email to your list. And I haven't done a tutorial on this for a while, and I think it's really good if I do it. This is a new software I'm using, and it's called Flodesk, okay? Flodesk is a great software, and at the end, I'll talk about why I decided to use it. But I did just want to take you through. This is going to be, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 20 minutes of a video, and I'll explain my process of writing an email to my list, explain the process, why I write what I write, and stuff like that. So hopefully you'll find it educational in terms of how to email your list, build a relationship, and so on. Okay. So first of all, Flodesk, I've got my logo right at the top. Hi, first name, or hey there. So if there's no first name registered, if they only registered with an email, it just says hey there. And I start with this summary. So I say week number 4 of my weekly roundup, and today we will cover. Now, the reason I do this is because these things are going to give them a preview of what's about to come, because this is a long email, and the beginning of any email, any sales letter, any website, you want to have a hook. There has to be a hook. Okay, so this is my hook. YouTube sponsorship, how I had a big tech company reach out to pay me to do a review video on their software. Referral system that you can easily earn money doing practically nothing. FAQs knowledge base, how to help beginners with helpful and practical information without marketing hype. Story about a sales call I received this week, i.e. I was being sold. And high income skills, exciting blog that you will love, right? And that's all I'm going to say on that, okay? So I'm going to now I'm going to switch this actually and put this at the top, because look, at the end of the day, people want to make money. If I tell them something about, okay, you can make money easy, it's just a better hook, you know what I mean? So let me just do that. I'll see if I can shift it with ease. Okay, there you go. And I'm just going to make it Open Sans and the size 16 again. Okay. So that's that. Now I'm going to link a video. So the video I'm going to link is going to be a sponsorship video. This is the video from YouTube, but I'm saying that the company paid me to do a sponsorship. So I'm just going to copy and then go back. I'm going to close this one. Okay, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay. And I'm going to put text. So here I'm going to say, YouTube sponsorship. Okay. Now, I actually have a Facebook post that I did on this topic. So I'm actually just going to find the post, because I think it's actually a good way to position it, because I actually wrote a whole bunch of content on it. And for those who've been following me for a while, you know that one of the things I'm completely obsessed is blah, blah, blah. I've been seeing regular growth, every video on page 1. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to basically use that in my email, because this is good content that I've already spent time writing, obviously. I'll make it bigger. I'll see if I can make it a little bit shorter. Emails should actually not be so long. So I'll try and make it shorter, but we'll see. It just gives me a bit of something to work with, right? I should really tell this, don't judge, blah, blah, blah. For those who've been following me for a while, you know that things I'm completely obsessed with YouTube SEO. I even have an extensive beginning guide on how to teach you how to rank on page 1. This is me then selling, because this is an ebook that I'm selling for $17. So if I get a purchase, that'll be great, right? I've been seeing regular growth on my channel. Every video is on page 1 consistently. The only issue I have is the quality, which is why I'm learning. A couple months ago, I did a test. I hid my subscriber count on my channel. You see, I'm being found on YouTube. I'm seeing that in my analytics. I'm seeing my videos on top of the keyword. For example, go search for the keyword software reviews on YouTube right now, and you'll see me the top video. Now that my subscriber count is hidden, when someone finds my search my real, no one knows what my real subscriber count is. All they know is, geez, this guy's on page 1 of YouTube. As soon as I hit that, I got 2 inquiries from 2 tech companies asking me to do a review. I turned down one of them, as this tool is not something I feel comfortable recommending. I'm a consistent user of a competitor of theirs, and I love their competitor. The other one is a good tool, and I've used it before when I created a video. We went back and forth about the email, what's required. They actually paid me through PayPal doing the video. I couldn't believe my eyes. Brand new income stream out of nowhere. First time I actually got paid. It wasn't a lot of money, but hey, I did it for the experience, and here I got a cool story to share with you. This also made me realize that I'm at the stage where software companies will be willing to give me special coupon codes, discounts just for my audience. So I started reaching out to some companies I love and trying to broker some discount deals for my audience. This will be part of my new Facebook group, .com Truths. For now, I'm getting ready to publish my video review that I did. Okay, so now I'm going to say, I'm excited to share this video with you now. Go ahead and check it out. And that's it. So I'll just say that. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to delete this part. I don't need it. And I'll do another divider. And then I'll do a text. And I'm going to copy and paste this because there's something else that I like about this. Otherwise, if you want to learn YouTube SEO, this guide is awesome. And I can't wait to see what other sponsorship, blah, blah, blah. Never thought I'd be able to do since a few weeks ago. Okay, good. So there you go. I'm going to make this again, same font. This is a feature that I've asked Flodesk to fix because it should have global styling, which means the fonts are going to be consistent throughout the entire thing, and that's not the case at the moment, so I'm not happy with that. So I've written to Flodesk and told them they need to fix that. And they're a new company, so I'm sure they've taken what I said into account, and we'll see what happens. Okay, next thing. So I'm going to talk about free Facebook group. So first of all, talk about YouTube sponsorship. Let's talk about FAQs, okay? Now I'm going to talk about referral system. Okay. As you may, I am eager to help a lot of people to make money online without marketing hype. I totally my solution for scaling this big time is creating a free Facebook group with some awesome training that beginners can enjoy and figure out the online marketing game and start a side hustle without high investment and without marketing. To make the training really straightforward and consistent and streamlined, I'm creating a massive library of FAQs. because there are going to be several levels of beginners where some would be a bit would more knowledgeable than others. Therefore, I do not want to bore them with needless videos. For example, someone, um, for example, a complete beginner would need a video that explains what is a domain name or what is website hosting. But it would be impractical to make everyone watch that video, as this is not a solution to create the most valuable training that enables someone to start a side hustle. And this would probably be consumable in a matter of hours, i.e., 10 videos or so under 5 hours. And it will be zero BS, zero hype, and straight facts and practical, actionable steps to succeed. But for those that have other questions, other topics, etc., there is a massive library I'm working on. To understand a bit more about my vision for this project, I invite you to check out this page on my website. Okay, now I'm going to do a button. Where is a button? Button. I'm going to take this link. And this is a sales page that I updated, basically. And the intention of this sales page is to invite people to support me in the mission. That's really the goal of it, right? So I'm going to try and use that explanation to hopefully get some sales, basically. And the sales are for my membership. That's what it's for. So border color, fill color. So I'm going to change it to my own brand color. Click here to learn more about this FAQs knowledge-based project and how this can help you succeed. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next segment of this thing. One other thing is I'm just going to make this font on this side, make it bigger, 16, and make it open sans. Okay, and I'm going to make this bold like that. Now, I didn't even talk about the referral system, so I need to do that. See, this is why it's annoying. They need to fix this, because I shouldn't have to fix this every time. Anyway, it's me bitching about it. Now, let me explain how you can earn money from this. The idea is to set up the entire training on Facebook in units. I will explain it all when it is launching. Now the goal of the Facebook, now the how do I say it? Now the group and the training is free, but my upsell that I hope people will pick me up on is my annual premium membership at $397 a year. This is a great offer and is explained in detail on my sales page. I'll leave a picture that explains more. When someone comes to the group, I will have a question asking who invited you. And whoever invited the person will be rewarded with a referral fee if the person they invited ends up upgrading to my annual membership at any time. I am looking to make the commission $97, but I am thinking of making it $47 for non-annual members and $147 for annual members. That way there is even a bigger incentive to sign up to be an annual member, because all you need to do is invite your friends and acquaintances to the group for free, and if they upgrade, you get paid. It doesn't matter when they upgrade. Everything will be recorded on spreadsheet by my virtual assistant team, who will help me manage the group. You can learn more about the membership on this link. I'm going to then give them a link, store.arambukai.com/Arambukai membership. Oops, that's not the right one. I'm going to have a picture as well. Upload. Downloads. Now I could actually link the picture, so I'm going to do that. So there you go. And let's make this again Open Sans, size 16, and put it on the right. And then this one, I'm going to link. This is another feature that I've asked to be fixed, because I think I can't actually change the color. And if I want to have it a different color, I can't do that, which is annoying because it will just change the entire thing. So I don't like that. Anyway, that's just a couple of things that I've got complaints on the software, but overall, it's a great software, so I'm not complaining too much. Okay, so that's good. Referral system, YouTube sponsorship. Oops. FAQs, knowledge base, sponsorships. I've talked about all that. Okay, I'm going to tell them about a story now. Strategy session / sales call. Sorry. So this week I was followed up by a large coaching / digital marketing company, as I have been on their list and consuming their content. I agreed to receive a strategy call to be sold on their coaching packages. I was going into the call knowing that they will probably try and sell me 5K package at least. I was cool with that and was open to see what they offer. I thought that they also offer a done for you service to do with paid ads, which is a pain point for me still, as I am in the early stages. Anyhow, I received the call and they went through the whole strategy session with me. After qualifying me, they went over their packages. They had 2 packages. The light package was basically everything that I offer in my membership in full. And therefore, it would not suit what I need and what I would benefit from, as I already successfully execute and implement what they teach in that package. So they gave me an pitch, the second package. Honestly, it sounded interesting and I wasn't opposed to doing it for the right price. But the price was not right. In fact, the light package, which I genuinely provide the same quality and content to my audience with already, the package they sell for 9,800 USD. I almost fell off my chair. I then asked about the second package, which was the one that suits someone in my position. Price 5K. Phone call ended abruptly. Shortly after he gave me the price. This just motivated me so much more to go harder on my vision of helping beginners succeed online without the marketing hype, high ticket courses, and high ticket coaching. I find as much as I appreciate there is a time and place for high ticket investments, the truth is that beginners should simply not do that whatsoever. I will explain this in greater detail in my free Facebook group when I am ready to launch. So there you go. Okay. What are your thoughts of that? Have you bought a high ticket course or coaching? For what price? What did you get out of it? I would love your reply to hear your stories. Okay, next one. Divider. And let's do another text. And this time I'm going to finally talk about high income skills. I am at the tail end of writing a blog about high income skills and giving practical advice on how you can learn them for free or very cheap. I am really excited about it, as this is something I've been meaning to do for a long time. This is finally coming together because it is a unit as part of my upcoming Facebook group. So I am actually taking the time to detail the resources that beginners can go to and find how to learn skills with zero investment upfront. It's incredible how much opportunity is out there. There simply needs to be honest advice on what to do and how to do it. I'm hoping to share this blog with you in the next week's roundup. Okay. Oh, and go ahead and enjoy the graphics and branding created for the group. And I'm going to now make this like that. I'm going to make this like that. Let's add a photo. The website is not live yet. But okay, let's delete that. Thank you so much for reading, and I'll speak to you next week. Now I'm just thinking if I want to do a group funnel thing. If I want to promote that, I don't know. I don't think so. I'm not going to do that this week. I'll just focus on the membership. Now, I'm going to explain to you, I'm going to run you through the email quickly and explain to you why I'm doing what I'm doing. Okay, what's my logic and so on, so you can see what the idea is, okay? So there's a common thread throughout, even though it might look a bit disjointed or whatever. You need to just notice that there is actually a common thread throughout the entire thing, okay? Now, that common thread is pushing my membership, okay? So first of all, notice that I'm talking about YouTube sponsorship, which is all fine, and pushing, getting the guide, okay? That's fine. That's going to, maybe make me a little bit of money. But what you may not realize is when somebody buys my membership, my ebook, it's $17. Then it takes them to an upsell for a course, $49. And then it takes them to an upsell, which is my membership. So that's one thing, okay? Next thing is I'm going to talk about the referral system. So I'm basically telling them you can make money by inviting people to the Facebook group and the upsells the membership. By the way, you'll make more commission if you sign up for my membership. Give them the info, okay? Next thing, going through the strategy session, the strategy call, and give them a story. And this is like an outrageous situation to be in. Like, I just can't believe people charge that much. And, I don't mind the 25K for my situation. I think that's fair, like, fine. But the 10 grand for the stuff that I honestly offer for $500, it's not worth 10 grand. I mean, yes, you could say it's worth 10 grand, but it's not for beginners. It's just not, there's no way a beginner should pay 10 grand to get started, because that's what they're doing. And I completely I'm anti high ticket like that. Okay, I really am. So anyway, so that's just my take on it. So I think this also goes with and gives a bit of an angle to position my membership like, hey, go learn it from someone else, pay 10 grand. Hey, get it from me, pay $400 a year, $397 a year. So there you go. High income skills. Again, I'm just giving it. And this is the high income skills is again, it's pushing my group. So they're kind of getting warmed up to it. But more importantly, it's also warming them up to next week's. Okay. Because I'm giving them like some insights about next week. So that's like the hook for next week. Okay. Lastly, I have here a bunch of questions. Please reply. How are you doing? How's your business? What did you like about this email? Anything you dislike? Anything you'd like to cover? Your feedback is appreciated, blah, blah, blah. This is good because I want to encourage replies. I want people to reply to my email. because that bring up the conversation, builds a relationship, and so on. So there you go. That's the end of my training. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment as well. If you're watching this in my email marketing mini course, okay, which I do have a mini course for that, then this is obviously included as part of my membership. And there will be, if you don't see a lot of content in the course already, just so you know, I've got some extra training that I'm basically getting. And what that training is, it's actually email training that I received, and I'm actually going to take those emails that I received in my inbox, screenshot them, and give you a chance to check it out. Basically, it's really, 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 really good training. Like, it is the probably the top email marketing training in the world. Okay, those emails are honestly, they really are the gold standard of education on email marketing. So I'm really excited about that. So if you're interested in that and you're not part of my membership already, then you should just check it out. Check the link in the description for the membership. And if you're already part of my membership and you've got access to my email marketing course, if you're watching this video and it's not there yet, just so you know it's coming. And if you're already seeing it, well, go ahead and check it out. It's gonna be freaking awesome. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.